I'll help you.
He broke it!
Oh, you broke it!
Everything you do.
Oh! Yo, that board is fire!
What is up, you guys? We're here today at Target with the entire squad. We got Mogulthon, we got Glowfather, we got Nigel, we got Uzi, and we got Aussie Dan behind the camera. And we're here today for a very arts and crafts type video. We're gonna be hydro dipping an entire skateboard. And I've never hydro dipped anything before, but I've been watching some videos on it. They've been popping up in my suggested, and I was like, you know what? I was like, I'm gonna try this myself. And then after we're done hydro dipping, we're gonna put the board to the test and see how it skates. So we already have the water, and all we need now is spray paint. Oh, dang it. You are literally the worst.
I can help you. Hold on. I'll help you.
What is wrong with What is wrong with you guys? He needed help. I don't, does that matter?
It might, I'm not sure.
To be honest. Okay, we're good, let's go.
Midday Mario Kart battle. If you lose right now, you gotta walk all the way back.
I will walk all the way back to my own car and then drive my own car back. Oh, yeah, this ain't gonna happen, Dan. Don't drift me the wrong way. Oh.
Last corner.
Damn it.
Last corner.
You know what? I like the mobile one better.
I like the mobile one better.
All right, you're out. Y'all have a good one.
Oh yeah. Take care. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.
The shelves are full.
You know what? How do you deal with this situation? Because look, hand sanitizer, right? Say your hands are dirty. You want to sanitize your hand, but if you touch this, you're touching what everyone else touched. So then your hands will be dirty.
But then,
Touch it for me.
the sanitizing is happening often.
Touch it for me.
What's that, Glow?
All right, well, we're gonna head back to the Braille house. We don't know what we're doing, but we're acting like we know what we're doing. This is gonna work out great. All right, so we're now back at the Braille house. We have Mowgli turning on the hose, and I believe what we have to do now is sand the board down so it's not so smooth, because if it's smooth, it won't pick up the actual paint off the surface. I don't know, that's feeling like it'll pick up some paint.
Spray paint your hair.
No. No. Hey, but no, Mowgli does have a bet that he wants to do. He wants to play John Hill, and if he loses, he has to shave his head.
John Hill, come back here now, please. Smoke it. Please.
Hey, just play on Instagram Live like right now.
Oh.
That would be kind of nice.
And I won't be the same.
How?
Because I need him here.
All right, fellas, I'm about to get...
Let's dive in there.
Come on, Mogs. Oh! Oh my God!
He broke it!
Oh, you broke it!
I'll Venmo you.
I'll buy a new one. I'm sorry.
You can't even be mad. That was I know you just filled it up. I know you just did that.
I'll buy two. I'll buy two of them.
Oh, we can fix that.
Now we get the spray paint, and we have to spray paint a design that we want in there. What color do you want to do first?
Dude, that does need some.
Everything you do.
It was going real good.
It's also going all over me.
It looked real good, and then you threw that in there.
Why did it do
You
that?
gotta give it some space, dude.
Ooh, I like that.
Dan, should I just send it? All right, we're gonna send her, brothers.
All right, get her in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Yo,
I don't think this is gonna work.
What?
Oh, that's kind of fire.
It's not as bad as I thought.
Look, it's planet Earth.
Hey, that was a good trial run.
Can I spray paint it green now?
Should I redo it?
Yeah. Oh, he do be going for the hydro.
Oh, so that's the professional way to dip it?
Oh, I messed it up. But yeah, I messed it up a little bit. I pushed it down too quick, mate. But I also could do this and grab that saw if I want to. Or,
Oh, you
Ah, I
got
missed
your own
it.
colors. These are for my grip parts.
Oh, that looks
I
fire. I like the way
my
that's
socks
coming
aren't really
out.
that black.
Wow.
Wow.
That hits different.
Your hand.
Oh!
Wow, that looks really good.
Yo, that board is fire.
I know you're proud of that.
I'm very proud
Look
of that.
at your smile. You're
I'm
like,
very
"Ooh,
proud of that."
I made something cool.
Let me hit it. Let me hit it up, bro.
You're actually onto something. We get a little pink on this side. Hurry, it's gonna dry, brothers.
Hold on, hold on.
Brothers,
You're welcome.
we sent her a little too freaking hard, but my masterpiece has been completed.
This one looks sick. This is probably the best one.
The hydro dipping has been completed, and now we're gonna let them dry and we're gonna set them up and then we're gonna skate them. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, isn't that right, Mokes?
Yeah. Dibs on that one.
Good job. Thank you for diving in that water earlier. We're here the next day, and this has not gotten any better. I don't want to use that. So we're gonna use these two, and what we're gonna do is set these up, and then we're gonna get 2 versus 2 flat ground skate going. There's some pockets of paint in there. You wanna start putting this together?
Yo, listen to this, because this will go on the record. I had a dream the other night. My house flooded, right? And there was a great white
this
shark.
is a wild
There was a
dream.
great white shark swimming around in my living room, and for some reason I didn't have a fishing pole, and I caught the shark with a CVS receipt. It was like, for real, that happened.
I have the receipt stand. He literally texted this to me. Wait. Okay,
I want to board this.
the teams have been set. We have these 3 over here, these 3 over here. On this side, we have the perfect rendition of a hydro dip skateboard.
Venus.
Just pick a team captain and just Rochambeau. Jeez.
Team captain.
I'm the team captain?
Go up there.
This
Rochambeau
one's
first.
called Cheshire in Motion. It's about a cat.
Can you explain what this makes you feel like?
It makes
real
me
quick?
feel like blowing things up.
And Mike, can you explain what this makes you feel like?
Pain.
What is wrong with everyone
I agree.
today?
This one's like a brick. This
Oh
is
my
literally
God.
the paint made this board so heavy. Like a helicopter.
Still going down. Still going down.
Congratulations.
Anything counts.
I guess I'll go first. I'm gonna ride.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do an impossible thing like this. I'm running it back. Here we go. Running it back.
He didn't do the revert.
I'm faking coughing. That trick's hard.
try this.
Oh, wait. How do you even like?
The layup.
No, that one hurt. That's not fun. Yeah.
That was a dagger right there. Look at Nigel. He's broken.
Can we do a mid-game switch? Switch sides?
Oh, switch sides?
Yeah, we need mid-game switch
I think
sides.
that's good. I think that's good.
Mid-game switch sides.
It's halftime. We're switching sides,
Switch
people.
sides. So you can do that.
Yeah. From time to time.
I'm not trying to get sacked, so I'm not gonna try it.
Hey, everyone gets 2 tries.
That's impossible.
One more try.
Good game. I'm gonna go try in the car now. Y'all met in the parking lot. Had an arrangement, huh?
My pocket's a little bigger after this video.
See, I see. Mm-hmm.
It's all right.
Paid off. It's
Sometimes
okay.
you just gotta get a movie date and just,
You
it's
know
good.
what? Next time I'm gonna bring something to Bargain. I'm gonna bring some popcorn for the movie theater.
All right.
What's up? Then we definitely gonna win that game.
I'll just bring
What's
the
your
licorice.
Instagram?
Death to false metal.
I love it. All right. And you have a YouTube channel and an Instagram.
Yeah, I do.
And both of those links will be in the description below. You should definitely go and subscribe and follow him on Instagram.
Learn some freestyle tricks with us.
Exactly. There's some videos right there. Go and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And that is what happens when you try to skate a hydro dip skateboard. Learn how to skate.